You searched how to buy shares of Tullow Oil. Tullow is an oil and gas exploration and production company listed on the LSE PLC under the ticker TLW.L. This video is educational only and not financial advice. To trade shares, you need a broker, and I'll use eToro as the example platform to show the steps. After signing up, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to trade. Use the platform search box and enter the ticker TLW.L to find Tullow Oil. Select the correct listing shown for the London Stock Exchange. On the stock page, review the company summary and the price chart to confirm this is the right asset. Check the listing shows LSE PLC and the ticker TLW.L before proceeding. To place an order, tap Invest. Enter the amount you want to spend, then review and confirm the order. If the market is closed, the order will execute when it reopens. If your account lacks sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before the purchase completes. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. The eToro link is in the description if you want to follow the same steps.